All right, here's part 2 to the 2017 and a half factory edition KTM SXF turned trail bike. Last time you guys saw this bike, I was still rocking a 1921, the DID Dirt Star combo. We have since upgraded that to the Tusk Impact with the orange inner hubs and running a Moto Z gummy on the back, which I'm a huge fan of, and then MX52 up front. This bike hasn't changed much because it's that good, guys. I'm telling you. I was not a KTM guy until I rode one of these bikes, and now, man, they're the best bike I've ridden ever. So I did add, I don't know if you can see, there's some risers in there. These are from Slavin's. Put a 3/4 inch riser on my CR highs. You know, I'm 6'2", 230 pounds, so I still kind of felt like I was a little bit hunched over when I would be stand riding. And, you know, just lift them up a little bit. You know, they don't look like Harley bars, but they feel a lot more comfortable and not much visual change either. Decal works. Got some side panels. The factory editions suck, man. They're printed on here, but the top part's not, and they start to peel up. So other than that, though, I mean, all the P3 stuff, Poly Sport, you know, swing arm protector and Tusk rims, Cypher hand guards, Xerxes tank, KTM twins step up seat. Did the 19 rear fender on it. This bike is just good, man. Like, no complaints with this machine ever. I think we have 81.6 hours on it. Oil changed every, I don't know, 5 to 7 hours. And just love it. Been a flawless bike. This is a huge upgrade for these, the Fastway linkage. And I did it on the number 2 setting, which I believe lowers the bike like 1 or 2 millimeters, and it actually made it squat a lot more in corners, and you can really steer with the back end as you come out of a berm. It did help a lot. It was hard for me to believe that a little bit of a lower end job would actually drop a bike that much and help out with steering that much, but it did, and the bike handles great. Got the Shawa CRF 450R with the Ride Engineering damper up there. Rebuilt this with a 15 weight oil in there, and that did help stiffen up the front end too. Just little things like that. This bike, I mean, there's nothing left to do. I would say, you know, it has tunes on it from Blaze Racing. I would say do a motor build, but that would be insane because this bike has more power than any normal sane person ever can use. It's just a monster. Well, with a 52 tooth rear sprocket, the rear helped a lot too, but this bike's a monster, and I highly suggest getting a KTM if you're into the trail riding. Thanks.